Hello, my name is Camila Pagan, and this is assignment number 5, video submission number 3. So here we're still integrating by parts for different equations, but this time our equation is different. We have a fraction that states to find the integrate of ln x over x5, x to the 5th power. So again, we're going to test our acronym, ILEAT, in order to see which part of the equation we're going to substitute first by u. There is no inverse function, so cross that out. But we do need to stop at the log, the L, because we have the natural log of x. So that's going to be our value for u. So u equals the natural log of x, whose derivative is 1 over x d of x. And so the rest of the equation is finally going to be to find the derivative of x to the negative 5, which is going to equal, its integrate is going to equal 1 over 4x to the 4th power. Okay, so these values, what we're going to do is that we're going to substitute them into the integration by parts equation. So first we need to substitute u, so we're going to have that ln x times 4x to the 4th power minus the integrate of v, which is going to be, again, 1 4x to the 4th power, d of u, which is 1 over x d of x times 1 over x d of x. So what we want to do is that we want to simplify this integration in order to make it simpler for the integration process by eliminating its common factors or by taking out the constants. So what we're going to be left with is ln x over 4x over 4 minus 1/4 times the integral of 1 over x to the 5th power, which can also be rewritten as x to the negative 5th power, d of x. So finally, we're going to be left with ln x over 4x4 minus minus 1 over 4x4, but this is also a minus, so we're going to make this a positive because negative times negative. In order for us to solve for the integrate, we're going to be left with this times this 1/4 that we already had from before, times 1/4, and c, which is going to be our constant that we always need to include when we are integrating, which is finally, so our final answer is going to be ln x over 4x4 plus 1 over 16 x4 plus c. So this is the final equation that we are left with for the integration by parts. We use the ILEAT in order to find which would be our u, and finally we were left with this equation. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.